The new Canon 58 toners are almost identical to the slightly older 51 toners. The operating principle is simple. The toner container rotates, which causes the toner dispensing pump to move. To better illustrate how the pump works, we cut off a piece of the black casing on the left side. You can now see exactly how the pump moves with each turn of the bottle. The entire structure is simple and does not generate any problems. After unscrewing the pump, we gain access to a large opening through which the interior of the bottle is visible. This opening diameter ensures proper operation of the pump, which creates a kind of vacuum. After disassembling the head, we see that the diameter of the hole is the same as the diameter of the pump. The Canon 58 toner is very similar, but only externally, because here the manufacturer used a different solution for the pumping element. After removing a fragment of the plastic cover, we see that the operating principle is identical to that of the previous toner. As the bottle rotates, the pump moves. In the traditional way, we unscrew the toner pump, and only now we can notice a change that is significant in our opinion. The large opening has been eliminated and all air exchange takes place only through one small hole. We suspect that toner may, under certain circumstances, clog this small hole, which could lead to toner dispensing problems. This is why it is so important to shake the toner cartridge several times before installing it in the copier. We are receiving information from the market that problems with premature toner depletion affect both remanufactured and original cartridges. We suspect that the manufacturer's introduction of this design change may cause the phenomenon in question.